In this quick video, I'll show you how to edit any PDF file in laptop for free. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So actually there are two methods you can use for editing your PDF files in laptop. So first method is really easy. Suppose I want to edit this PDF file. For that I just need to search on my laptop Microsoft Word and then open your Word. After that we just need to drag and drop our PDF file into Microsoft Word. I will simply pick my PDF file and then drop into Microsoft Word. Then this pop-up will come up where we just need to click on OK, and now you can see my PDF is open. I will simply make it full screen and now you can easily see this is my PDF file. I can simply edit anything here. You can see I can type here anything. After that we just need to save it. For that we just need to click on file, then go to save as. Here we can save our file. Then now click on browse to save our file, and here we just need to select the destination we want to save our PDF into. I will simply select destination as desktop and then we can simply edit our file name. I will simply make it PDF Word. Select the type of our file. I can save it as Word document, and multiple types of file format are here. I will simply save it as PDF and then click on save. After that our PDF file will be saved in our laptop. You can see this is my PDF I saved now, and you can also see the changes I made into my PDF. So this was the first method. Second method is also easy. For that we just need to search Google Drive on our browser and then go to first website, which is Google Drive, and now click on go to Drive. Here we just need to upload our PDF file. I will simply upload it by simply clicking on new and then go to file upload. Now select your PDF file. I will simply select this one and then click on open. After that we just need to upload it, and now you can see my uploading process has started, and then we just need to click on it and you can see my PDF is now opening in Google Drive. After that we need to click on open with Google Docs so that we can edit our PDF file, and now my PDF is opening in Google Docs. So this is my PDF file. I can change anything in my PDF. You can see I can type here as well. So this is the second method. Once your editing is done, then we just need to save our PDF as PDF. I will simply go to file and then go to download, and we can select the format we want to save our PDF as. I will simply save it as PDF document, and now you can see my PDF is downloaded here. I can open it and you can see these are the changes I made on my PDF, and it is also here. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching.